Here we come to the elevators at the Research Park office building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are two interesting, different kind of elevators. Anyways, these are both ThyssenKrupp, one from being 2003 and the other one from 2005. That's right, here we go. Just wait until you see the second elevator. All right, and now to the other elevator. Once this is the service elevator. Two directional lanterns. This one's got custom impulse. It's got a different elevator cab. I mean, the shape is still pretty much similar. I'm gonna go for one more ride because this is a rare design I've ever seen before. I don't ever see a custom impulse, especially here in College Station. I mean, I've seen a Dover custom impulse on a Dover elevator, but it's technically the service elevator at the Memorial Student Center. But this is the only rare custom Dover impulse elevator. I mean, the custom impulse elevator on a ThyssenKrupp that is publicly accessible. So I'm assuming this one has got to be a lot older than the smaller one that we just rode. I was here doing some donations and I happened to see some sort of different elevator design, which I've never seen before, but never in my eyes would I find a custom impulse. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.